I woke up on one this morning, so let's make some Southern style eggs Benedict. You're gonna start with some country ham. This is from Boone, North Carolina. It was a gift from my aunt. Thank you so much. Soak it for about 30 minutes to get some of that salt off, and then you're gonna wanna pat it dry. Heat up a cast iron skillet to about medium heat. I'm gonna use some English muffins and then some organic spinach that I'm gonna saute in butter. And then I'm gonna saute some mushrooms, also in some butter. If you don't like any of these vegetables, then don't eat them. I am not your mama, I will not make you. I was gonna try to poach some eggs to show off, but honestly, it takes so much work. So we're gonna have scrambled eggs instead. This is what the country ham looks like after you fry it in a pan. And this is the rest of the ingredients for the Benedict. Get you some of that greasy, salty, yummy fried country ham and put it on top of some toasted English muffins. Then I'm gonna grab some of the sauteed spinach. I seasoned it with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Put some of that spinach on both sides of your eggs Benedict. You could also use fresh spinach if you wanted to. This video is angled the wrong way, but this is me adding scrambled cheese eggs to the top of the spinach. And then next I'm gonna top it with these sauteed mushrooms. If you watch my videos, you know that we love mushrooms in this house. This is what it looked like when it's done. Y'all, this is so good. I want to smack my mama. Don't do that. Anyway, have a good day.